This is all so strange. I have so many memories here, both good and bad. Thank you for all of your work. I know she felt very close to both of you. This is not enough, but she wanted to give you something to help you both find a new place.
Thank you.
Yeah. Anyway, when you guys take off, would you mind taking this to the trash for me? Okay, thanks. Well, thank you very much for all your work. She felt very close to both of you. Anyway, I should probably take one final walk through. When you leave, would you mind taking that box to the trash?
Of course.
Thank you.
I have keys and tools and all kinds of things to share with you that will help you with your self-tapes and that will help you get more work. Down in the description, you'll see, my Secrets to Self-Tape Success. Now, this is something that's free. It's something that everyone should read. It is Self-Tape Success Secrets. It's almost as much of self-tape secrets as it is, these are mistakes to not make. Don't make these mistakes or your self-tape will be looked over. On the other hand, I wrote a book. The book is called 5 Crucial Elements to a Killer Self-Tape. That's different. That is different than self-tape success. The 5 Crucial Elements to a Killer Self-Tape is a book also available down there. It's priced for everyone, and that is more of here's what you need to do to stand out in a sea of actors. The show is called Little America. My agent got me the audition, or maybe it was my manager, one of them. Anyway, I got the email saying, hey, you have an audition for this show called Little America. It's season 2. It's on Apple TV+. It's about immigrants in America. And so I was playing a grieving son at his mother's estate sale. Interestingly enough, and this is drawing from real life, literally 12 days before I got this audition, I was in Northern California in my mother's backyard doing her estate sale because she had passed away. So I had plenty of ammunition as far as emotion and all of that because I was playing real life. And it speaks to my philosophy of being a real person in a real place, having a real experience. All I did was tap into what I had just gone through a week and a half earlier and the grieving that had been going on for a couple of months. And it was very simple to do. You think about your mom, you say the lines as if you're talking about your mother, and man, it worked like a charm, obviously. I had some dialogue. They changed my dialogue and gave me more after the self-tape audition. I sent the audition in. There was no callback. They booked me straight off of my audition tape. It's shot here in Los Angeles. And I had the dialogue memorized so well, and this is key, is knowing it very, very well allows you to shift gears midstream. So if you know the dialogue backwards and forwards and they say, this time don't show any emotion until the very end, or show emotion at the top and then dial it back, you're able to do that because the dialogue is so internalized that that's not what you're worrying about. When you don't have your dialogue memorized, that's sort of something that's in the back of your mind, and it can convolute what's going on emotionally for you. So, as the actor, I think, wow, they cut a lot of dialogue. But, in the grand scheme of things, your job is to show up, hit your mark, do your absolute best, move the story forward, and get the hell out of the way. So that's what I did. And I worked closely with the director. She was absolutely wonderful. And I guarantee you that if any audition comes across her desk any time in the near future, she's going to say, oh yeah, Dan Warner, I would absolutely work with him. So it's not about what kind of footage I'm going to get. It's about creating relationships so that you can get more work in the future. Showing up, doing your absolute best work, being insanely prepared will gain you the reputation of someone who is trustworthy, they trust you, and they want to work with you again and again and again. So there you have it. That's how that goes. If you want to learn more about all of this stuff, go to the actingcareerexpertstudio.com website. We've got workshops. We've got everything you need to get yourself ready to book work and get shows on Apple TV Plus and Netflix and Amazon and Hulu and the like. So, yeah, go check it out, and I'll see you next time.